Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is the first video of my C programming tutorial. So without further delay, let's get started. Here I'm going to use Sublime Text Editor. So if you are using Windows Machine, then you can go with Code Blocks or Dev C++. There are a lot of IDs are available, but my recommendation is Code Blocks because it is very easy to use. Okay, and if you are using Linux Machine, then you can go with GCC compiler. Now what we will do is we are just going to print some information in the console. Okay, so I am going to print welcome to CS Talks by Lee. Okay, so whenever you want to print something, you must enclose that information inside the double quotes. Okay, and then in order to print this information, we are going to use an inbuilt function of C which is known as Printf function. Since it is a function, we should use parentheses. Okay, at the end of this line, we have to put a semicolon. This semicolon just defines the end of the statement. Okay, now this printf function will take care of all the stuff which are related to printing the information in the console. Okay, now whenever you want to execute your code needs some starting point, and that starting point in C is called as main function. So please keep in mind that always the program starts the execution from the main function. Okay, now the main function will execute all the statements which are present inside this open and close curly brace. Okay, now the problem is we are using printf function, right, which is an inbuilt function. So whenever we say something inbuilt, where it is available? Is it in the air or is it in the computer? Where it is? So every inbuilt function in C having its own definition, which is available in the C library. So for this printf function, the library is standard input output library. This .h is an extension which is a header file. So what is header file? The file which contains the definition of the function. Okay. Now in order to include this header file in our program, we should use a keyword called include, and we must enclose this file within the angular bracket. Okay, and then we have to put hash symbol before this include. Okay, so this is a preprocessor directive, which means before start executing this code, the preprocessor should include all the contents which are available inside this file into our program. Okay, now the main function will return some result. Okay, now let's execute this program. See, the information is printed in the console. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and please make sure that you subscribe my channel so that you can watch my upcoming videos.